Welcome to the Cianaa team's comprehensive analysis of the evolving legal landscape surrounding artificial intelligence. In this presentation, we will explore the major legal developments, court decisions, regulatory trends, and future implications shaping AI law worldwide. This presentation provides a detailed overview of the legal developments around artificial intelligence from 2019 to 2025 and beyond. We will examine key legal frameworks, significant court decisions, regulatory trends, and the global impact on industries, concluding with future implications and recommendations. Today, we begin with an executive summary of key AI legal developments. We will then cover the historical evolution of AI legal frameworks, current compliance challenges, major court decisions, and international governance perspectives. The presentation continues with regulatory evolution, industry responses, and concludes with future trends and stakeholder recommendations. The evolution of AI law from 2019 to 2025 is marked by the establishment of legal precedents and regulatory frameworks. This period has seen transformative court decisions, a surge in litigation, and the creation of comprehensive standards for AI governance. From 2024 to 2025, major court rulings have shaped global AI and copyright law. Over 100 legal cases show a surge in AI-related litigation, indicating increased accountability for AI developers. The EU AI Act and executive orders have established regulatory standards, while differing regulations across jurisdictions pose complex compliance challenges for global AI companies. The historical evolution of AI legal frameworks includes foundation periods, early precedents, growing recognition of AI's legal impact, a surge in litigation, and the maturation of regulatory responses. Analyzing over 100 AI legal cases and 15 major court decisions from 2019 to 2025, the report highlights how AI challenges traditional laws by generating creative content and making autonomous decisions. Legal focus progressed from theory to active litigation and regulation, with the 2019 Beijing Internet Court ruling that AI-created works lack copyright without human input, setting a major precedent. Between 2020 and 2022, authorities recognized AI's legal impact and introduced ethics guidelines. In 2023, a surge in AI lawsuits addressed copyright, privacy, and employment issues. By 2024, regulation matured with comprehensive frameworks like the EU AI Act, marking a shift from reactive, national approaches to proactive, international legal structures. As of 2025, AI legal frameworks are shaped by the United States and European Union, along with international and sectoral regulations. Companies face increasing complexity in compliance due to divergent global legal principles and evolving requirements. The U.S. employs a multifaceted AI governance approach, combining executive orders and federal agency guidance with state-level legislation. The EU's AI Act introduces a comprehensive risk-based regulation system, integrating GDPR. Other countries, such as the UK and China, pursue principles-based or innovation-focused governance with varying levels of control. Countries like Canada and Singapore focus on risk and transparency in AI laws. Sectoral frameworks in healthcare, finance, transportation, and criminal justice ensure fairness and safety. New AI laws are built on human centricity, transparency, accountability, and privacy, but organizations face ongoing compliance challenges due to rapid legal changes. From 2019 to 2025, courts have played a significant role in AI governance. Landmark decisions span copyright infringement, international and employment cases, privacy, product liability, criminal law, and patents, establishing foundational legal trends. Key court cases have addressed whether AI training on copyrighted images is fair use, with the Delaware Federal Court setting a 4-factor test for AI fair use. Internationally, Beijing and European courts have clarified copyright and data protection laws, while employment and privacy cases scrutinize AI hiring tools and biometric surveillance. AI's use of biometric data demands special legal protections, and government surveillance faces constitutional scrutiny. Courts are developing new product liability frameworks for AI, establishing standards for AI-generated evidence, and adopting technology-neutral judicial approaches to keep pace with innovation. Internationally, approaches to AI governance vary, with some countries emphasizing human-centric principles, risk-based regulation, and the precautionary principle. Implementation strategies differ, but the goal remains effective, rights-protective AI regulation. The European Union leads with comprehensive AI regulation, influencing global standards. The United States focuses on innovation within a federal structure. China prioritizes state control and security. The UK emphasizes flexible principles. Canada integrates rights-based frameworks, and Singapore adopts practical, sector-specific implementation. Brazil is developing AI governance within a digital rights framework, while international cooperation grows through treaties and multilateral agreements. Common principles like transparency emerge, despite differences in enforcement and surveillance, and future trends point toward global harmonization and mutual recognition. AI regulation has evolved from principles to practical implementation. Key milestones include the transition from high-level guidelines to enforceable laws, sectoral regulation, active enforcement, compliance infrastructure, and increased global coordination. Between 2022 and 2023, regulators transformed foundational AI principles into specific global requirements. The EU AI Act began enforcement in August 2024, with phased application through 2027, while the U.S. introduced federal AI safety standards and governance frameworks. Healthcare, transportation, and aviation sectors now operate under AI-specific regulations to ensure safety and liability standards. Regulatory bodies enforce AI laws focusing on privacy and fairness, while industries adapt through sandboxes, stakeholder engagement, and compliance solutions. Efforts to harmonize AI regulation include ISO, IEEE, and ITU standards. Countries are enacting comprehensive AI laws, while regulatory innovation introduces automated compliance and adaptive governance models. Specialized authorities enforce laws using real-time monitoring. The evolving AI legal landscape is transforming industries, requiring new governance roles and compliance infrastructure. Technology, financial, healthcare, and automotive sectors are responding with updated risk management, regulatory compliance, and new business models. AI legal evolution drives new governance and compliance roles in technology companies. Financial services implement strict risk management, healthcare adapts with regulatory approvals and data controls, and the automotive industry updates safety and liability standards for autonomous vehicles. Retail and e-commerce sectors adopt transparent AI recommendation systems and ensure consumer protection. Legal and consulting services integrate AI with a focus on ethics and quality. Cross-industry challenges include explainability, bias testing, and governance, while new markets emerge for AI audit and compliance services. Compliance costs and expertise requirements are driving market consolidation, favoring larger companies. Regulatory compliance may slow AI development, but opens new markets, transforms business functions, and prompts global cooperation amid regulatory fragmentation. Looking ahead, the AI legal landscape will be shaped by emerging technologies, adaptive legal frameworks, regulatory innovation, and ongoing societal and economic impacts. Continued stakeholder engagement and international cooperation are essential. AI nearing human-level performance requires updates to laws on personhood, liability, and rights. Legal frameworks are evolving to address AI speech, privacy, and corporate responsibility, while regulators use AI-powered tools and international treaties to harmonize governance. AI-driven labor market changes prompt universal basic income experiments, worker retraining, and new professions. AI supports democratic governance through transparency and oversight, while legal specializations and interdisciplinary collaboration grow to meet new challenges. 3 potential scenarios for AI governance include a harmonized global treaty, fragmented regulatory chaos, or adaptive regional coordination. Policymakers, industry, and civil society must invest in governance, compliance, advocacy, and capacity building to shape positive AI futures. Policymakers should build AI regulatory expertise and develop technical tools, while industry establishes governance boards and risk management. Legal practitioners must grow AI literacy and specialization, and academia and civil society should advance AI law education, research, advocacy, and public literacy. Success in AI governance is measured by reduced harms, increased public trust, and a balance of innovation with rights protection. Key indicators include the establishment of governance institutions, technical standards, enforcement, and stakeholder participation, with courts and regulators playing central roles. In conclusion, the AI legal landscape has rapidly evolved from theoretical debates to enforceable laws and global precedents. Continued regulatory innovation, international cooperation, and active stakeholder engagement are crucial for navigating the complex future of AI governance.